Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall see how to create a product in Axanta ERP. So to create a new product, first click on the menu, then go to the inventory module. Under common forms, under masters, you will find products. So you click here, and here you will find all your existing products that you have created. So now to create a new product, we will click on this new button. Here we'll enter the product name. So let's say demo product. Then here in the product type, you can either select the product type as consumable, service or storable. Usually by default, the product type for products will be storable products. This is the type for products for which you want to maintain the inventory, and here the invoicing policy will be delivered quantities. However, if you need to create a service product, then in the product type you need to select service, and the invoicing policy you have to select order quantities. Additionally, there might be some products as consumable. For these products, stock movement can be tracked, but inventory will not be maintained. Then next, you need to provide the sales price, the cost price, the unit of measure and the purchase unit of measure for the products. So let's say we'll enter the sales price as 100 and the cost price as 50. So then as you can see the margin in amount, margin in percentage, and this is the markup percentage. Then here you also need to enter the product code and the barcode. So if you don't have any product code, the system will automatically generate one product code when you will save the product. So let's enter the barcode and then we'll just save this product. So here you have the option of save manually. So we'll click here and this product has been saved, and here you can see the system has generated a product code. Also, if your business is applicable to VAT, so then here you have customer taxes. So in this field you can enter your sales tax depending upon your requirements, that is exclusive or inclusive. So let's say we'll enter exclusive. So here you will see that the amount with tax 110 will be coming. Similarly, we will enter the purchase tax from this purchase tab. Under vendor taxes, here you can select the purchase tax. Then here in the vendor field, you can associate a vendor to this product. So for example, here you can select this vendor and you can also link this vendor to this product as well. Now this product group is very crucial as it has a financial impact. So by default, the product group is set to all for all the products. However, if your business has specific product groupings, you must ensure that you select the appropriate group for each product. Then here under categorization, you have the options to enter the department, the division, category, subcategory, brand, country, product model, product second name, color, sizes, and so on. However, in future, if there is a need to change any of these fields, so you can edit and change as per your requirements. Then here you can see the total number of products that you have. Then this is the default view that you are seeing is this Kanban view. So if you want to change the view to the list view, so you need to just click here and the view will be changed to the list view. Then here in the search bar, you can search the products by its name, product code, barcode, and so on. For example, if we'll enter this product code and we will search here for the product, this product will be coming with this code. Then here you have the option of applying various filters on the products, and you can also group the products. Then for example, if you want to group a product by its brand, so you need to just click here and you can click on brand. So all it will be coming by brand. It will group the products by brand, as you can see. Now similarly, you can apply various filters also. So for example, you want to only see the product of brand having 7up. So here you can just apply the filter. You can click here. You can click on add custom filter. Then you can select brand and contains. You can enter 7up and you can just apply. So as you can see, only the product which is having brand 7up, it will be coming. So like this you can apply various filters and you have various grouping options as well. So this is how you can create a product and apply various filters and grouping options in Axanta ERP.